Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Wow, Terra Classic have started the year 2023 with a massive pump right from the first day of the year 2023. Terra Classic actually started this year in a positive side. What we believe, of course, that 2023 is the year 2023. We are expecting over 10,000% bump with burning of Terra Classic increasing massively. We are going to see Terra Classic massively increasing in price. Yes, reaching 1 penny, 1 cent is getting possible already, and I believe that before the end of this year 2023 we are going to see Terra Classic pump, and I believe holders of Terra Classic will be smiling. And one important thing I love about this coin is that in 2022, Terra Classic dominated. Terra Classic is one of the top coins of 2022, and we also that even Binance founder, Binance, the biggest crypto exchange in the world, and Binance are really supporting Terra Classic. The founder of Binance sees himself. He's not just supporting, but he also owns. He bought Terra Classic coins and then supporting the burning of Terra Classic. Binance are doing a lot of work supporting this coin. Now, this 2023, we are expecting Terra Classic to hit over 10,000%, deleting 2 zeros at the time of recording this. Terra Classic is still trading with about 3 zeros. 1% is possible, and I believe that with the support from other top crypto exchanges. We also what Kucoin did for Terra Classic last year 2022. They really supported Terra Classic, and crypto.com, of course, they also did a lot of work. But what shocked me also lately in 2022 was Bitforex exchange. They really show a lot of support, even though after Binance it was Bitforex in the late 2022 that we saw a lot of people buying Terra Classic. The volume of Terra Classic about almost 18% to 21% of Terra Classic volume was being traded on Bitforex. Okay, so I'm expecting this year 2023 that Terra Classic can reach 1 cent. 1 cent is the target, and hitting 1 cent we definitely make a lot of Terra Classic holders rich, and I hope to see Terra Classic this year on the positive side, on the bullish trend, and let's keep hoping to see cryptocurrency in general will definitely hit a massive increase. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.